Night audit. The night audit function will generate all the charge per day transactions that are required for the property. It's run once per day, typically at night, by the night clerk. It does all the charge per day transactions. It generates all the daily statistics, so a line for each room for each day showing the sales and whether or not it was occupied. It'll purge old data if you want to purge the old data, and it'll generate the accounting batches, the general ledger and receivables and payables, and optionally push them right through to the accounting system automatically. You can see here in my sample I've got a number of reservations that I have not checked in or checked out. So these are warnings that come up just to let you know that there's something wrong. In my sample I generated 3 general ledger batches, and these are the numbers in Uniresman, and it pushed those batches right through into the accounting system. There is another movie on the accounting system, and more detail about the accounting interface will be described then. We have another program for the night audit, which is display night audit statistics. In my sample property I have multiple locations: Nirvana, Paradise, Tranquility, and Utopia, and I can see here where I've run the night audit and where I haven't run the night audit. So it's a visual check of when you've run the night audit and when you haven't. Very handy either for single or multiple locations. And it'll also show you at a glance the statistics, the revenue you're getting by location and your occupancy rate by location. After running the night audit, there's a full set of audit reports that allows you to just see what's going on financially in your property. The regular audit list will print every transaction for a time period. The folio audit audits the control account from Uniresman. So we have one control account in Uniresman, which is the net amount owing to or from all outstanding reservations, and it audits that back to your general ledger account. So we have an audit of our own for our general ledger transactions, AR transactions, AP transactions. So we have our own audit in Uniresman. There will be a corresponding audit in your accounting system. You would run the two and compare that they were in sync. Receipt audit is every receipt, be it Visa, MasterCard, cash, checks, wire transfers, whatever is coming in. The cashier's report is like the receipt audit, but it's for a specific cashier. Your external audit compares what you've received from another system, such as your point of sale or your call accounting system, for a given time period. So you run the audit in our system to say, this is what I received from the point of sale system. You go to the point of sale system and say, what did I charge to the room? Those two numbers will balance. Miscellaneous charge audit will be for the things that are not automatically connected, things perhaps like your laundry service or other things that are not automated. You can easily go in and see what did you key in for those things. Proper tax tracking report by jurisdiction shows you the charge amount and the tax amount as you go through. Full set of audit reports. We originally grew up inside an accounting program writing add-ons, and so audit was a natural concern for us right from the very beginning. So we have very, very strong audit within our program. Agent commissions. We're able to calculate agent commissions within our system and pay them using the accounts payable functions within the accounting system. The first step is to run a cutoff report to show what is unpaid for your different agents. The second function then is to actually go in and pay the agent commissions. Again, it uses the same cutoff. This generates the accounts payable transactions that get passed through to the accounting system. So each agent that you're paying commissions to is attached to a vendor in your accounting system, and we pass through the accounts payable information either in summary or in detail. So rather than issuing the checks from Uniresman, we do the calculations, pass the information across to accounts payable, and all the control for when the payment's done, the issuing of the checks, the bank reconciliation, all that gets done where it should be done properly within the accounting system.